The medieval city Steyr offers our management faculty of the University of Applied Sciences, Upper Austria, an ideal study and research location. We teach more than 1,300 students everything worth knowing regarding management. 50 professors and 250 lecturers from the business-related environment guarantee the best knowledge transfer in our 6 study programs. In order to provide the most up-to-date knowledge in our lectures, there is always a need for new insights gained from our 90 research projects, which are realized every year. 75 research associates are involved in these projects. In times of digitalization, data and information must be rethought in strategic and operational business management. Today, a wealth of company data is created from purchasing through production to logistics, from sales to finance. All of this data must be adequately captured, prepared, using appropriate methods, and analyzed. Thus, flawless database decision-making processes can be initiated, which ultimately give a company the drive in the right direction. In our management research, we look at the data diversity of core processes from different scientific perspectives. Using scientifically understandable methods, we translate these into a language that is understandable for decision makers in production, logistics, controlling, digital business, and global business. Based on our findings, companies can shorten their production times, plan transport and distribution channels more resource efficiently, make innovation processes more effective, or steer their business even more proactively, thanks to optimal visual reporting. Let's take a closer look at our 6 research areas. The more efficient design of production processes is the focus of production and operations management. Due to the digital transformation, the production area is also facing new challenges. In manufacturing companies, the increased use of sensor technologies has led to a rapid increase of data. Despite many advances as regards the development of new big data and analysis tools, many companies leave it up to their experienced employees to make operational decisions, for example on asset parameterization. This is a task which is becoming increasingly difficult for new employees due to the high amount of variance and complexity of the production processes. In addition to the technical challenges, the lack of convincing deployment scenarios and lack of knowledge are the biggest obstacles that prevent a company from making economic use of its data. In our Advanced Analytics for Production Optimization project, we develop predictive models for companies using data mining, machine learning, simulation, and optimization. This means that the results of the database models can help to shorten the time from project engineering to series operation. Better estimates can be extracted for planning, and process optimization can become automated and faster. Our digital business team works on innovative solutions in the digital world. In addition to digital marketing, the internet as a business, as well as the information and decision-making behavior in online environments, are closely examined. Data plays a vital role in the industrial environment, in e-commerce and in commerce. Internet users have many opportunities to share their opinions on products, brands, or companies in the public via social media platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram. This poses a great challenge for companies that want to make company-relevant statements about qualitative and quantitative data at all times, and ideally know the opinion of social media users. In our field of research, we often use opinion mining. Opinion mining is about finding and systematically processing the opinions of consumers on the internet, on Facebook, Twitter, and co. Of course, in these analyses, we also use algorithms from the field of machine learning and, ultimately, we analyze the opinion of these consumers about products, brands, and companies with respect to their sentiment. A company can thus quickly get an overview of the opinion which prevails over the company on the internet. Research that works is also very important in accounting, controlling, and financial management. This research group has been dealing with the core topics of planning and reporting for quite some time. Today, executives and investors are more than ever confronted with complex decision-making situations and unmanageable amounts of data. With the increasing flood of information, their expectations regarding professionally prepared reporting is increasing, enabling them to identify relevant factors quickly and easily. Up to now, however, there have been no empirically based guidelines on how to optimally design such reports. As a result, the reports are the result of a complex trial and error process and dissatisfied decision makers. With our long-term project, Reporting Design, we are able to objectively measure the quality of report presentations and derive sound guidelines for a perception-optimized reporting design. With our results, complex facts and big data can be analyzed quickly and accurately and interpreted correctly. Our research covers a wide range of presentation media, ranging from classic print reports to interactive dashboards in large-scale digital report rooms or on small screens on smartphones. Our research area, Global Business Management, develops methods and concepts for the analysis, planning, and control of global sales, but also for the export and marketing of knowledge-intensive services and products. The pressure of globalization means that manufacturing companies are supplementing and expanding their service range with new industrial and knowledge-based services. The portfolio of a company must be optimally placed on the markets in an international and intercultural competent manner. Our Industrial Service Excellence Monitor helps companies to gain a detailed view of their industrial service excellence status. We highlight 12 different dimensions that are important, from the development to the international sale of industrial services. Especially important is the service value for the customer and the identification of its price. For example, in the network and relationship skills dimension, we look at the trust-based work with suppliers and other partners to create value for everyone involved. As a result, companies have an industry-independent benchmarking database at their disposal, and a company can use the results for strategic enhancement of the services. The colleagues in the area of clinical core processes devote their research to a risk-adjusted comparison of clinical outcome, processes, and costs. Their contributions analyze comprehensive services that ensure a seamless patient care process. Each of us is a patient at some time, which is why we all want excellent medical care. However, physicians and their teams themselves, even if they have access to the enormous amounts of data, cannot systematically process the knowledge about each individual patient and use it in a structured way for improvements. In our benchmarking medicine project, the participating hospitals will be able to compare their clinical core processes. Using ontology-based data processing and data mining methods, large amounts of information are examined and analyzed. Data from the previous data history is included in this. We do this to optimally prepare treatment outcomes for departmental analysis and to identify cases with complications on a retrospective basis. In addition, we can show surprising correlations in the data that would remain hidden without these data manipulations. At the Logistics Center, with its core contents of supply chain management, transport logistics, and mobility, as well as logistics management, we devote ourselves to internal, intercompany, and external topics. Innovative logistics and supply chain management solutions bring companies crucial success factors in a complex and volatile environment. The constant in logistics is the human being. The variable component is the technology and the range of tasks. Through new technologies like cloud, big data, deep learning sensory, there are new possibilities, new chances. The value added of logistics is the fact that we also design the financial and information flows in addition to the material flow, and thus provide exactly what you experience daily, namely an optimal service in a short time. As Austria's largest logistics research unit, we also have a very strong claim to the future. An example of this is the physical internet. The aim of the European initiative, Physical Internet, is that material should flow just as easily as information flows in our internet system. Behind this is the application of all the technologies that will be available now and in the near future, which we use in this research project. Upper Austria is a model region and will thus be a key driver of this European initiative. In addition to employees, data has matured to become the most valuable corporate resource of the 21st century. The trick is to recognize the value of this data and to make adequate use of it for meaningful decision support. With our research experience in various management disciplines, we bring the necessary drive into your company and your data world.